Okay, so the water itself is the tracer. Okay, and then what else? We can also create profile. I think profile is useful here. Profile, or let's first make cross section. I want to see the difference between cross section and profile. Let's start our cross section from, well, this one, and just click this one, point selection to create cross section. You use this one, cross section, and then connect it to well 3, and then well 34, and lastly well 27, and close. And then here, go to cross section. Okay, so you can see the cross section here. And you can also untick the grid lines. So by looking at this, at the same time by looking at the time slider, you can estimate, or you can see the breakthrough time of each water from well 1 or well 34 to the adjacent producer. In this case, to producer 3 and to producer 27. So you can see water from well or injector 1 has broken through producer 3, and the same thing, water from well injector 34 has broken through, here, inject this producer 3 as well as to producer 27. You can also show bubble map. That's for cross section, and you can see we cannot create the contour line here, but we can also create, go back to average. Now we create profile instead of cross section. Now profile, I want to start from again well 50, and then connect it to well 1, well 3, well 34, and lastly well 27. Click on apply, close, and then go to here, profile. Actually, almost the same with cross section, but now you can create color by contour line, which somehow a little bit, if not significantly more beautiful than the coloring with grid, right? So it seems more natural, so to speak, and you can also create show boundaries or show contour lines, but it's not useful here. I think it's better. Okay, so you can actually use cross section, or you can also use contour line. Okay, and what else? Actually, that's the most important thing, and surely it's not difficult, right? This is for what injector 1 only, injector 34 only, and both. Okay, and then all right, and then yeah, we can also go to, let me think. By the way, we can also use this one, right click, auto update. So yeah, the information will be updated based on the progress of the time. Okay, so it's like this, auto update. And we can also go to graphs and untick everything. Yeah, you already understand this one, right? But the one thing that I want to show you is the tracer.